Good day. Welcome to the Occupational Safety Experience showroom. Please put on the virtual reality goggles. They will lead you to the accident scene to experience the accident as if you were there in person. Now you are a welding worker working in a warehouse. A co-worker asked you,
"Weld 2 handles to that fuel drum. Cut the lid and modify it to be a rubbish bin."
The worker picked up the tools for welding work. While the worker was welding a handle to the fuel drum, a flashover and explosion occurred suddenly. As a result, he sustained a serious burn injury and died. Let's see the causes of the accident and the correct preventive measures. The flammable liquid residues in the drum were ignited while carrying out the electric arc welding. A fire and explosion happened as a result. Use new containers where possible to avoid electric arc welding on used fuel drums. If used fuel drums are utilized, adopt other work methods to replace electric arc welding. For example, use appropriate adhesives or manual cutting tools. Before commencing electric arc welding, it was not determined whether the fuel drum contained any flammable liquid or not. Before commencing electric arc welding, ensure the fuel drum does not contain or has not contained any flammable substances. If contained, the material safety data sheet of the flammable substances should be observed. Based on the characters of the flammable substances, select an appropriate method to remove the flammable substances inside the fuel drum, such as washing with a high-pressure water jet and suitable solvents. The fuel drum must be inspected again to ensure all flammable substances and residues have been completely removed. Safety is a shared responsibility. Let's join hands to make the workplace safe.